know he's just not right for you. And you could tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want. And you're spending all your time in this wrong situation, and anytime you want it to stop. I know I can treat you better than he can, and any girl like you deserves a gentleman. Tell me, why are we wasting time on all your wasted crime when you should be with me instead? I know I can treat you better, better than he can. I'll stop time for you the second you do you. I just wanna give you the loving that you're missing, baby, just to wake up with you will be everything I need, and this could be so different. Tell me what you want to do, 'cause I know I can treat you better than he can, and any girl like you deserves a gentleman. Tell me, why are we wasting time on all your wasted crime when you should be with me instead? I know I can treat you better, better than he can.
It's like, I've got to stand up for myself at a certain point, and that was it for me, so sorry.
Sorry, alright? I didn't mean to get caught up in the moment, you know what I mean? It's an accident.
We'll be fine. Promise I won't let you down. Just know that you don't have to do this alone. Promise I'll never let you down, 'cause I know I can treat you better than
Always got a plan. You don't think I know exactly what your plan was? You put me in a position to where if I didn't come out there, I look like the bad guy. I look like the jerk.
when you should be with me.